Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best shovel in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Amos 25,332,100 tempered steel round point shovel with fiberglass handle, 61-inch. This long handle round point shovel from Ames punches above its weight. It features a durable steel reinforced fiberglass handle with a padded non-slip grip for outstanding comfort and control. The steel blade features an oversized step area and an open socket that is reinforced with a steel collet, and it comes in at a value price. Very little difference arose in testing between this Ames shovel and the Gurden Tools model. The Ames shovel weighs just over a pound less, which makes it a better all-purpose choice for projects that don't require heavy-duty reinforcements. The thinner steel used in the shovel head adds to its lightness, but also allows it to flex slightly, so it is less aggressive in hard-packed clay soil and subject to more wear and tear in rocky ground. We like that this handle is reinforced with an inner layer of steel to help resist cracking at the stress points. Number 2. Spearhead Spade gardening shovel with steel reinforced fiberglass handle, cushioned D-grip and sharp, hardened steel blade, award-winning Spade, model SHFD3 yellow. Whether you are planting a new tree or transplanting a shrub to a different part of the yard, you'll need a shovel that can contend with packed soil, random rocks, and tough roots. The Spearhead Spade gardening shovel is designed with those tough tasks in mind. The unique spearhead-shaped blade finds its way naturally to the path of least resistance. It is made of hardened manganese steel and features a wide step and sharp edge that slices cleanly through roots. The open back socket is reinforced with a steel collet and rubber gasket to boost strength and reduce shock. The straight fiberglass handle includes 2 padded non-slip grips for superior comfort and control with both hands. Number 1. Amos 2,672,100 aluminum scoop with hardwood handle and D-grip 45-inch. When users need to scoop and move fertilizer, mulch, soil amendments, lightweight gravel, or even a bit of snow, this Ames garden scoop is up for the challenge. The rust-proof aluminum alloy blade curves up at the sides and back, so it can handle a large load without difficulty. The 26-inch hardwood shaft is topped with a soft, comfortable D-shaped grip that won't slip when the user's hands get sweaty. At less than 5 pounds, this lightweight tool is easy to use for longer periods of work in the garden or yard. The Ames scoop shovel was, in a way, difficult for us to test. Unlike the other shovels in our lineup, it is not frequently used for working with soil. However, we found it useful for loading compost and mulch onto a wheelbarrow from a pile in the driveway.